Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Know your Audi model and Mmi version because menus differ. Turn the ignition to ACC or on so the screen awakens. This powers the Mmi. On your phone, enable Bluetooth, update the OS if needed, and have PINs ready. Once done, use the Mmi rotary controller to open the phone or connectivity menu. Don't waste time in settings search. Make sure the car is stationary for pairing prompts, and watch the display for the next connection option. Now you pair. In Mmi, pick phone or connectivity and choose Connect New Device, then Bluetooth or Wi-Fi depending on your car. On your phone, scan for the Mmi device name. When the PIN appears on both screens, confirm they match and accept pairing. Allow contact and media access so phonebook and audio work. If the car prompts for Wi-Fi tethering, select the correct network and type the password exactly. Case matters. Then wait for a confirmation tone before proceeding to feature selection. Finish by enabling the services you need. Media audio, phone calls, and Apple CarPlay or Android Auto if supported, select them in the Mmi menu. Make sure audio routes to the Mmi speaker, not your phone. Test with a call and a music track. If pairing fails, restart both phone and car system, then forget the device and repair. Also check for Mmi or phone Bluetooth firmware updates. These fixes resolve most issues quickly, and they explain why a restart often restores normal connection behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.